Hi, this video is a brief introduction to Python. Here we will see why Python is so famous and then we will also install Python on Windows system. So let's get started. So if you came to this video, you may already know what Python is and why it's important tool to learn. Let's see why people do use Python. So there are many reasons, but I'm listing some of those. The main reason is the Python is focused on readability. So, if in the software, if your code is more readable, it means the quality of the code, the quality of the software will be good. So, Python code is designed to be readable and hence reusable and maintainable. Reusable and maintainable. What I mean is, if someone else is working on your code and they are not able to understand, they cannot reuse your code into um, their part of the application or their part of the software. And maintainability means we all know there are at later point of time there are some bugs arrive during the software development. So if your code is not readable, the people or the person who is going to work on your code cannot. It's very tedious to fix those. So Python has a deep support for more advanced software reuse mechanisms such as object-oriented programming and functional programming. Uh, Next reason is uh, using Python, the performance of a developer can be increased because, for example, if you are writing a piece of code to achieve a certain task, then uh, the amount or the line of code that is used in the Python is typically one third or one fifth what you are going to use in the C++ or Java or some other language. That means there is less to type, less to debug, and less to maintain. Third thing is Python is platform independent. It means that you can write your code on one platform, such as Windows, and you can use the same code on other platforms like Linux, Mac OS, or any other uh, computer platforms. Next thing is Python comes with a large collection of pre-built and portable functionalities. These are also known as the standard library. So this library supports a number of application level programming tasks like matching of the text, network scripting. So those are already built into the Python. So just you need to reuse those packages. So there are so many reasons why Python is famous and we cannot list all. So let's install Python. So you can download Python from python.org. You have to go to python.org, downloads, and the current version of the Python is 3.9.1. I'm pausing this video till the download is completed. Once it's complete, we will install it. Yeah, so this download is completed. Let's go install it. Type the table file and click on run. Now you can install at the location or you can customize it. So next, install for all users or you can simply install for you. You can also it will install on the program files. Let it be the default location. Install. It will take some time to install. So I'm pausing this video till the setup completes. We'll resume after the completion. Yeah. So now the setup is completed. Just close it. So there are many ways to launch the Python. So we are going to use the command prompt. So just you have to give the location here. This is the Python interactive shell. Yeah, so I'm giving you an example. For example, if you want to write anything for a simple calculation, so you're assigning x equal to 5, y is equal to 4. If you want to check what is x plus 5, okay, it will directly return the value. So that in the course how to assign the values to a variable, how these operators work, and everything we will explain in the later videos. So please stay tuned and thanks for watching.